Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to explain you how you can manage the repositories, object repositories in UFT. So when you record any application using UFT, the object repository is created, and then you can view that object repository by going to this resources object repository menu. So if you click on that, it will open the object repository. So this is the local object repository, and you can view the properties and the values for any object by just clicking on this particular object name. So for this object, it is showing that the name of the object is notepad and the class is dialog. And here it also shows that object repository is local repository. So you can also add new objects into here, and then you can highlight it as well, locate in the repository. Then you can add inside object to the local update from the application. All these setting options are there. So you can export the local objects, which creates the shared repository for you. So if you save it, it will create the TSR file, the shared repository. And then once that file is created, you can send that file to your friends so that they can use those repositories, or in the team you can share that particular repository. So to edit the objects in the shared repository, what you have to do is go to the resources and then open the object repository manager. And over here in the object repository manager, you can open the repository. Like over here I have got one repository which I'm going to open, so it is not there, so I'm going to open another one, say r1.tsr. By default it opens in read-only mode. You can enable editing by clicking on this, and then you can edit the objects. So here you can edit the objects like that. You can make it true or false, and you can also make it a regular expression by clicking on this button. So just check this checkbox so that this will be treated as the regular expression. And another important thing that you can do is you can also compare the repositories to repository, or also merge to repositories. So to compare the repositories, just click on that particular menu option, and then it will ask for the two repositories, repository 1 and repository 2. So here I'm going to give r1.tsr. Click on OK. Then it will compare the objects in these two repositories, and then finally give the result, saying that how many objects matched, how many are unique, how many are identical, etc. So it is saying that 4 identical objects are found in both the files. 0 objects unique to the first file, 0 objects unique to the second file. So if there are, since these two TSR files are same, then it's showing that there are 4 identical objects. So there is nothing. There are basically no differences between these two repositories. But there, if we had say extra object in the R1, then it would have said that R1 repository contains one unique object, like that. Similarly, you can also use the merge tool to merge the repositories in one repository. So that is how you can manage the repositories in UFT. So if you want to attach the repository to your test, what you have to do is you have to go to the resources and then click on associate repositories, and then click on this button, then click on the repository that you want to add, and over here you can select all the actions to which you want to add this particular share repository. So once we associate this repository to the actions, you can use those objects in that repository in this particular action. So that is how basically you handle or use the repositories in EFT. Thanks for watching this video.
Hi friends, if you find this video useful, please hit like button, and for more videos, please subscribe to my channel, and also visit www.softforce.org for more tutorials and updated videos. Thanks for watching my video.